To draw King Charles, real easy. We're going to draw like a long sort of horseshoe shape like that. Or a U, isn't it? That kind of thing. And then across the top we're going to put a line, but it's going to turn it into a kind of a sausage like that. And we're going to put little ermine things in there to make it look very royal. And then we want to draw these bits of hair coming out like that. 1, 2, 3. And then, well, King Charles does have quite large ears, you know. So put those in there like that. So we put a little hook around like that and up there. So those are the bits that he hears through. And I always like to get the eyes in there quite soon so that you can look at them and they can look at you. And his eyes are quite close together. So we're going to put 2 little dots about like that. And he quite often has this kind of quizzical, thinking kind of look on his eyebrows. And then we want a line coming down for his nose like that. And then we're going to do this weird kind of curves coming around like that, all the way around. And then a little bit like that there as well. And then we'll have his mouth going like that, with a little bit underneath the lip. And then we're going to want a crown, aren't we? So we're going to go up and dip down. We're going to go up and dip down. So it's a bit like a heart without the pointy bit at the bottom. And then we're going to go up and down like that. And up and down like that. And then we can put some jewels in there. This isn't the real crown. I've got another video to show you how to do that if you want. And we'll put little jewels on the outside as well, like that. And then we're going to want to have a great big sort of diamond thing in there. And then we have like a kind of a Maltese cross kind of thing on the top, like that. And then we want to have a little collar coming around like that. Put some little dots in there. And then he has his robes. And he has these great big kind of bows on the top like that, which are coming down like that on the side. And we can put some extra little marks in there. And then he has his fur robe coming down like that. And we can put a little thing across there. And then he also has a kind of a chain coming all the way along like that. Lots of little circles. And we can maybe put some funny little marks inside there to make it look like goldy things. And then we have lots and lots of dots. So this is quite tricky. So I'm going to just kind of come down like that. Like that. Let's do it this way. So this is ermine, which are they're the little tips of the tails of stoats in the winter when they go white and they have little black tails. And then we want to kind of do the in-between bits. It's tricky, this. Anyway, as long as it looks spotty, that's the main thing. And then all you have to do is colour it in and say, there you are, Your Majesty. Your drawing is done. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back to do more drawing. Bye.